If you've been searching for an SEO tool that actually delivers on its promises, you might have come across Surfer SEO, but is it really worth your time and investment? Let's dig into what this platform offers and whether it lives up to the hype. Surfer SEO is designed to help you optimize your content for search engines by analyzing top ranking pages for any given keyword. Its core functionality revolves around data-driven insights, which can significantly enhance your content strategy. You start by entering a keyword, and Surfer provides a detailed report that includes keyword suggestions, content structure, and even the ideal word count based on what's currently ranking. Right off the bat, the user interface is fairly intuitive, which is a plus for both beginners and seasoned pros. However, while the tool excels at providing actionable insights, some users may find the sheer volume of data overwhelming. There's also a content editor that allows you to write and optimize your content in real time, which is quite handy. But I noticed that some features feel somewhat disconnected or not fully integrated, leaving me wondering how they all fit together in practice. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Surfer SEO offers robust keyword analysis and a unique content editor that can streamline the optimization process. The data-driven insights are genuinely valuable, especially for those serious about improving their rankings. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users report that the learning curve can be steep, especially for those unfamiliar with SEO tools. Plus, there are concerns about pricing. While it offers a lot, it may not be the best fit for casual users or small businesses on a tight budget. Also, the integration with other tools isn't as seamless as one might hope, which can be frustrating if you rely on a multi-tool workflow. So, is Surfer SEO worth your time? If you're serious about SEO and want a tool that offers in-depth analysis and real-time content optimization, it could be a solid choice. But if you're just getting started or have budget constraints, you might want to explore other options first. Overall, it's a tool that has potential but comes with its own set of challenges.